So over here you can see that I have this particular image right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to apply some preset profiles to this. So over here in the profile you can see that there's color right here, so you can choose color or monochrome. So that's the profile that you have directly access to. And apart from that, if you were to click on browse profiles, then you get access to various profiles, as you can see right here. Like you get different black and white profiles that you can choose from right here, which has a bunch of presets. So whatever a preset you want for black and white, you can simply go around and choose the amount of the profile right here as well, just like this, and it is applied. You can also go around over here and there's modern look, as you can see right here, for the color, and there's a vintage look over here just like this as well. So you can simply go around and choose the amount right here just like this. If I were to go around onto black, then you can see that this is what you have. So you can go around and further control out whatever you want right here. So you can simply go around onto color profiles right here, onto artistic, let's say for example, and choose the profile that you like and apply out the color look according to how you want. And that is how you can utilize pre-existing profiles inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.